Here are top 10 places in Wyoming. Number 10, Snowy Range Scenic Byway, a breathtaking mountain drive with alpine views and picnic stops. Number 9, Cheyenne, Wyoming's capital, home to Cheyenne Frontier Days, the world's largest outdoor rodeo. Number 8, Wind River Range, rugged wilderness, alpine lakes, and some of the best backpacking in the US. Number 7, Buffalo Bill Center of the West Cody, a world-class museum complex dedicated to Western history. Number 6, Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area, gorgeous canyon views, boating, and wild horses. Number 5, Hot Springs State Park, Thermopolis, natural hot springs you can soak in. Number 4, Devil's Tower National Monument, a striking geological formation and sacred Native American site. Number 3, Jackson Hole, a luxury mountain town with skiing, art galleries, and Western culture. Number 2, Grand Teton National Park, stunning jagged peaks, lakes, and hiking trails. Number 1, Yellowstone National Park, world's first national park, famous for Old Faithful geyser, hot springs, and wildlife. For more information, please subscribe our channel.